2021 Ford Bronco production won't fully ramp up until August. Now, as originally reported late last year, Job 1 of 2021 Ford Bronco production was scheduled to begin at the Ford, Michigan assembly plant on May the 3rd. Now, that hasn't changed, but sources have revealed to plenty of journalists that the automaker is aiming to ramp up production at the Ford Bronco some point in August. Though exactly when is currently unknown, as those dates are moving each day. No one knows, because things are just constantly keep changing. In spite of the ongoing global semiconductor chip shortage that has forced Ford to cut production at most of its North America and European plants in recent months, it appears that for now, Ford Bronco production is still on track to begin very soon. Most recently, order holders begin receiving their scheduled for production emails with VIN numbers. The vehicle trim levels and configurations are estimated delivery windows based on the order holder's reservation timestamp, the option and packages chosen, the numbers of similarly configured models, and the number of allocations the order holder dealer has received. Though some reservation holders grew tired of waiting and wound up canceling them, Ford says that 125,000 of the 190,000 Bronco reservation holders have converted their reservations into orders, which comes out to be 66%. Now, that's impressive conversion rate, but it's also worth noting that many of those 65,000 reservation holders that have not converted them into the 2021 Ford Bronco order may be waiting for their 2022 model year, and the perks that it will bring, including the roof options, exterior paint colors, vehicle options, and even special editions. You know, it's been previously reported that Ford is allowing reservation holders to hold their place in line for the next model year, and it can only fill around a third of the existing reservations for the 2021 model year. This is just great, awesome news for folks, for such a modular vehicle, a vehicle that, you know, that could be changed out, accessories added at the owner's whim. And just look at this. I mean, look at the way that it's made. Look at the way that it can come apart. I mean, the modularity is just stellar. And what a nice rig. I mean, this is awesome, folks. Awesome. But hey, the 2021 Ford Bronco production won't fully ramp up until August. So, there's a lot to come. It's A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.